Hey y'all, this is Rob from MSI. Man, I'm in an undisclosed location, man. I'm looking at, man, what year car are we looking at over here, young man?
1974.
1974. Man, I'm looking under the hood. Oh, what you got? This is a supercharger right here we looking at here, young man?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, okay. So you got that when it's going?
Oh, yeah, it talks.
It talk? Okay. Yeah, now look at here, y'all. He got the dubs on there, staggered. What wheel we looking at? 28, 30? What we at? 29? What we looking at? 26? Okay. Far as donks go, how do you feel about the cars with the even bigger rims than this go, above 6? Does that tend to jock the car up too high?
Owner's preference.
Owner's preference? Yeah, that's why I tell a lot of people, you know, it's in the beauty of the eye beholder what they decide to go. So this car originally was white when you got it, right?
Yeah.
So again, builder's preference here, and you see how he mixes. That's like luxury BMW type of stuff up here, y'all. Look at this.
Real leather.
Yeah, real. Oh, let me touch that. Oh, okay. Console front to back, digital gauges. Man, I heard you got some music up on here, Bruce, man.
It's something.
It's a little something. Well, play us something if you got a song that works well with your scenario. Just give us a little taste, you know, just something to let them say, okay. Cause I've heard some music, you know, and you know, I'm just saying, you know, I teased Bruce once when I had a dunk. You know, he sat there, he critiqued my situation, but I think I did pretty good to the air. He worked his app board, you know, when I was in this life, but he took it to the next level. As y'all see, look at that lip. See, that's the thing, y'all. The lip and squatted down. Got the little tilt in the front, little to the back. Yeah, y'all see that profile. Let me get that still picture on that. Bam, got it. Oh, I think he got a song for us. What's the Sandman design up in here?
So stuff. You got a stick on your, you got a 50%
Last out we caught was at the store.
No shake, no vibration is in there.
Tripping with that switchy, he didn't face it.
They shot. They couldn't save it. We the ones getting busy up in the city. That's on my baby. Then I ride the drive through extra. I'm so much we slide through. Ain't different the trade.
You ain't saying what's up in the truck?
Okay. Let me out this chopstick. Don't leave me moping like a zip.
Hey y'all, my man say it's only 215s up in there, but we can't see the trunk because it's in there. But y'all hear what I hear, see what I see. Man, mess with your name, man. I'm just saying, this right here might be giving somebody some problems right here. Man, I heard you ran up against Super Black in the Mustang once upon a time. How'd that race go, man? I saw it on the video like y'all was neck to neck. Was y'all both naturally aspirated, or did you have extras on it, or what was the deal?
I had the same motor.
You got the same setup and everything? Does he have any extras on his?
I don't know. I never looked at it.
Okay. I seen he went back in the day. They did that was TC. They did the interview when you was in the bike world. You know, they came out and talked with you that day. Yeah, I put that on my show. We out there. Shout out to East Bay Bragging, TC Ed.
Rich, come on, do this straight. A player don't hate, he congratulate. While you demonstrate, you giving your NIG a break. I let your fingers be the reason that I stay out late. When double R come home, you touching teasing like case. Bring me shakes, plus joy like a new debate. All the way from the O to the ATL, it ain't safe. Players, check your game, swole ballers, check nuts. And if you're scared, go to church, cause the remix hurts.
Get away, I don't need nobody, baby.
Okay, let's do a walk back. Like I said, let me take it a little further back. This is take it up high. So yeah, you know, fuck it, let's run around the building on him. You see he's still going good. Now we're gonna run out of sight on him. That's that coming around the corner sound, you know what I'm saying? You come back to the straight line of him, he in there. That part. I'm just saying, my man Shotry B making it happen. That part. That's some intro music right there. When you roll up on the spot, you just gonna give it to him with this right here.
Rich man come around talking. I don't wanna hear you keep walking. I'm put the powder in the pot. Whip it to him, push it on the light. Never gonna stop. Bitch, I'm on, I ain't never gonna stop.
Here we go.
I'm the man, I'm the man.
That's what he's saying. Come at you. I'm the man. Watch when that bass line drop, y'all.
Hey, came in the game getting money. Flip chicks, whip, get money. Niggas get to playing with the money. Click bang for the money. Shit change over money. You love to see a nigga on the bottom. Catch a come up, gotta keep it on the low. A nigga plug, bless a nigga with a hoe. Wanna break the bitch down.
Pressure.
36 hoes. Look at here, bitch, I'm A.O.P. Shotty won't fuck with me. Stupid, get a chicken in the pretty. She gon' hit my line. We ain't gon' waste no time.
That's all we got for you today, y'all. Just letting you hear what I hear and see what I see. I see a lot up in there, y'all. Y'all better enlarge the picture because I can't show you no more.